We are soaking up a beautiful day today, same thing as yesterday too, but we're alerting you to some changes. A first alert weather day is coming up tomorrow through Saturday morning. We're going to get right to the forecast for you. Later tonight, the wind is going to start to pick up a little bit more out of the south and east as this next system approaches. It's going to be slow to move in, okay? Out west late tonight, we're going to start to see a little bit of rain, a little bit of snow, but as far as the Red River Valley, we'll maybe see a few sprinkles here and there, but we're generally going to be quiet tonight. Until tomorrow morning, we'll start to see a little bit of light snow moving into the Devil's Lake Basin, nudging into northeastern North Dakota. But as we've been saying yesterday, the day prior, we're going to have a lot of dry air to overcome. So it's going to take a little bit longer. Not looking till about mid-afternoon when we start to see it really move into the valley. By 5 p.m., as you're getting ready to head off of work, we'll see some snow and some wind in the northern valley and much of eastern North Dakota. And through the evening, the system continues to slide slowly to the south and east. So we'll see this continuing into our Saturday morning, and we're going to have a lot of wind to go along with it as well. We'll break down the wind here in just a second, but first, snowfall potential. It's still looking light. All right, most of the snow is likely to start accumulating late Friday night and into our Saturday morning. Our surface is warm. We're into the 50s and 60s today, so some of this is going to melt on contact. It's not all going to accumulate, so we might see even slightly lower amounts than this. As for the wind, this is going to be one of the bigger problems, especially as the snow falls. Friday afternoon, as the system starts to move in, we'll see some gusts out of the west-northwest around 30 or so miles per hour, even stronger in parts of central North Dakota, eastern North Dakota. A brief lull Friday night, very, very brief, still windy, but by Saturday morning, I expect the strongest winds across the valley. Some places west could see gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour. A few of the impacts, we'll see some reductions in visibility as the snow is falling. Even more reductions in visibility when that snow combines with the strong gusty winds. And then it'll be icing up the roads, some snow-covered roads as well as it starts to accumulate through our Saturday morning. Look outside right now, soak it up. 59 degrees, 55 right now in Moorhead. That wind is out of the southeast right now at 16 miles per hour in Fargo, gusting to 23 miles per hour. 52 in Grand Forks at the airport, east-southeasterly wind at 11 miles per hour. Gorgeous 40s and 50s. Hopefully no complaints in the forecast, especially before our big changes tomorrow. Temperatures tomorrow morning generally in the 30s to near 40 degrees. And the afternoon, temperatures are going to only be warming a degree or two. Overall, pretty persistent temperatures throughout our day. Much cooler for the weekend behind the system, still windy through our Saturday, especially in the morning. Monday looks to be dry now. We were looking at the possibility of a few flakes. It looks to be out of our area. And then, Alex, next week, a couple more days close to that 40-degree mark.
I can't believe we're going from, 59 today to Saturday will be 28. Yeah. That's crazy.
We like the little weather whiplash, right?
Yeah, a little bit. Thank you, Summer. In the midst of the holiday season, food pantries need your help.